thank you for such a humorous word that you have used for me. Once again, very happy Children's Day to you all, Honorable Father, Secretary Father Joachim Thakur, Principal Ma'am, dear teachers, and you all the booming and blooming flowers of this garden. Today it's really auspicious to be here. We all have gathered united here in order to celebrate the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister of the nation, Jawaharlal Nehru. Usually we call him as Chacha Nehru. And we know that he was born in the year 1889, and since after the contribution and in the different fields of the world means what that India it is represented in the so many ways, and later on as soon he has passed in the year 1664, so in 1964 the Children's Day celebration has started in India. Before that it was started from the 20th November and it has converted to the 14th November. So if we can just focus onto the life of the Jawaharlal Nehru, it is most significant and remarkable benchmark he has set on the different standards of the country, especially in the sectors of the education. The new aims, the IIT institutions have been established by him, and the love and care concern for the children is totally significant. You know, the will of the God as a scripture, the religious scripture of all the different religions is speaking about the children's, that do not rebuke the children. In the scripture it is written that call upon the children and do not render them, do not hinder them, because the kingdom of the heaven are made for those. The kingdom of heaven is made of such kinds. So God himself is wanting you to go and get together in the presence of his presence, and the Almighty is there to bless you in all the multivarious ways. You know, the creation, the craftsmanship of the God is not less than the creation of the universe, but the investment it have been done on the creation of each children is not less than the making of the universe. The God has taken the responsibilities of the children to his soldiers, in both the soldiers, and worked upon his single soldier. How you can say that? It is really amazing, the craftsmanship of the God, the designing of the God is amazing for each children. Carl Landsteiner, we have heard that one of the great scientists who has just discovered the blood group systems, ABO, this blood group system, he has evaluated the creation of human beings. He said that $20 billion are invested to make a single human being's body. The complete organ, just without the breath in the nostrils, the complete organ system of a body takes to have the $20 billion of investment. Can you imagine that how big you are, how wonderfully and fearfully you are crafted? God has invested in such a way, and even this much of after investment, there would not having the breath in the nostrils. So you are here to boom and rock the world. You have been called with a vision, with a great purpose. God has really a great objective for your life. Simply you need to stand before him. The victory is the part of the God. You need to simply make your presence before him. Somebody has said, कागज की नहीं हम काठ की नाव चाहते हैं, तंग आ चुके अब बदलाव चाहते हैं, माना कि अपाहिज हैं हौसले हमारे, बैसाखी आना दीजिए हम पांव चाहते हैं. It is amazing to stand before you and sharing such a great things about you all. In day-to-day life we are meeting every one of you, and we are just being a teacher is not just being a student. Some of the things we are learning from you, by teaching and some of the things you are learning from us, being a teacher. So this is really great. And in the last, I would like to give a great focus on the words that it is said, somebody has written that yes, कदम जिस राह पर जानिसारों के आगे बढ़े होंगे, कदम जिस राह पर जानिसारों के आगे बढ़े होंगे, वहीं हम मील के पत्थर बने आगे खड़े होंगे। सुबह चौंक गए होंगे आप जब अखबार में अपनों के चेहरे पढ़े होंगे। अरे सच कहने के खातिर ये आईने कितने लड़े होंगे। इन्हीं उम्मीद पर कायम है बूढ़े बाप के सपने। इन्हें पूरा करेंगे जब कभी ये बच्चे बड़े होंगे, जब कभी ये बच्चे बड़े होंगे। थैंक यू। विशिंग अ वेरी ब्लेस्ड डे।